To make a basic consommé, start by adding about 4 quarts, 3.8 liters of stock. If you'd rather not make stock from scratch, you can either use bouillon or canned stock. Add any spices you'd like to enhance the flavor. Chill the stock in the fridge. Separate the whites from 8 eggs, then mince about 2 pounds, 1 kilogram of raw meat, 1 celery stick, 1 carrot, and 1 leek in a food processor. Whisk the egg whites until they're frothy. Add the minced ingredients and egg whites to the stock, as well as 2 whole cloves, 16 peppercorns, and 1 bunch of your favorite chopped herbs. Heat the mixture over high heat until the solid ingredients float to the top. Make a hole in the raft of solids with a ladle, and turn the heat down to a simmer. Keep basting the raft every 5 minutes or so. Once the liquid is clear, turn off the heat and strain the consommé to remove all of the solids. Chill the soup overnight and skim off any additional fat that rises to the top. Serve your consommé either hot or cold.